Understanding how your team performs across sprints usually means searching through multiple Jira reports or exporting data. But what if you could generate a team performance report instantly? Hello everyone, I'm Maria from SaaSJet, and today I'm gonna show you how to create custom reports just by describing what you need. For example, let's create a team performance report based on sprint velocity. Open AI-powered Builder for Jira and write this prompt. Build a dashboard gadget to analyze the team's performance across sprint. Show a velocity trend chart for the last 3 sprints, plotting story points committed versus completed in each sprint. Calculate and display the average velocity over this period and include a trend line or percentage change to highlight improvements or declines in velocity. Then click Generate, write the app's name, then Save. AI Apps Builder analyzes the request and automatically builds the dashboard gadget. In minutes, you get a ready-to-deploy app. Quickly fill in the required fields to deploy the dashboard in your Jira instance. Note that you must be an administrator of the target Jira site. Now let's check the results. The report provides a clear view of team performance, helping teams plan more realistic sprints. Instead of building reports manually, just describe your idea. AI Apps Builder turns it into a working Jira app. Try yourself, install the app from Atlassian Marketplace. Thank you for watching. See you next time.